Hello all, this is Sai Narshima Reddy. My topic is National Employment Guarantee Act Data Analysis with Power BI. Objective analysis a National Rural Employment Guarantee Act with Power BI. Important enhancing data analysis skills in a particular context. Let's start a section. First question: how effective is NREGA is providing employment opportunities in rural households? The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act aims to enhance the livelihood security of rural households by providing at least 100 days of guarantee wage employment in a financial year to those who volunteer for unskilled manual work. Assigning the effectiveness of NRGA in delivering these employment opportunities is crucial to understand its impact on rural unemployment and poverty elevation. The second question: what are the religions disparities in the implementation and outcomes of the scheme? Yes, religions disparities in energy implementation and outcomes are evident. Variations in job cards issues, budget allocations, expenditures, and work completion rate highlights in quotes. Some states effectively utilize funds and achieve high completion rate, while others struggles, indicating the needs for targeting intervals to address these disparities. Third question: what is the utilization of the allocated budget and how does it correlated with? The utilization of the allocated budget in NRGA varies by region. Effective budget utilization correlation positively with employment generation, where high expenditure of often leads to more percentage of employment. Analyzing this correlation helps identify religion with optional resource use and areas needed improve financial management. Fourth question: what are the key factor contribution to the implementation of NRGA works and there are any roadblocks in this success? Key factors contribution to NRGA complement includes effectively budget allocation, administrator effectively, and active workforce participation. Roadblocks to success include delays, fund disbursement, inadequate infrastructure, and bureaucratic hurdles. Addressing these challenges is crucial for timely project completion and maximizing the scheme impact. Fifth question: can data-driven insight guide policymaker and administrator in optimizing the scheme's impact? Yes, data-driven impact can guide policymakers in optimizing NRGA by identifying ineffectiveness, religion disparities, and areas needed improvement. This insight enable target interventions, better resource allocation, and informed decision making, ultimately enhancing the schemes effectiveness and impacts on rural employment and poverty elevations. Thank you.